This is a vintage Kenmore dehumidifier I just got from the thrift store yesterday. The St. Vincent one in my video that I posted. $9.95. Needed one of these and it just happened to be at the thrift store and probably built better than the new ones that they make. So I plugged it in even though they said not to test stuff there. And so far it's working. It needs to be cleaned, but let's see. It has these different settings on there. Let's see. The fan is a little bit loud, so turn it on high first. That's on high. Turn it down to low. That's low, you can hear more of the compressor. Kind of a neat design. I think they probably made these from the 70s to the 90s. I had to add some duct tape to the back here because there's a this thing doesn't want to stay in because the cabinet is warped a little bit at the top there. So here, I guess I'll open it up for the video. Yeah, the coils need to be cleaned and I'm not sure the best way to clean them. I did try to vacuum them lightly, but you can see how dirty they are. So I think that been used. So I'm gonna have to get in there. But behind them they look okay. It's just a little surface dust. It is pouring water, can't really see. There is water down in there, a little bit. But it will also shut off if you pull the bucket out. Here's the model information. Sears and Roebuck. So I'm thinking it's either from sometime in the 80s, or 90s, because it has that 96 there, and it has 81, 85, 82, 87, has all those different, I don't know, I'd have to look up a code. Code diagram or listing. But yeah, this thing's probably 30 years old. And like I said, I needed a dehumidifier and just happened to be at the thrift store and they had this one for $9, so I thought I'd try it before spending $150 on a new one. That's the cheapest I could find. I don't know if it said the capacity on there. I'll have to go look at that label again. Let's turn it. Turn it up on high again. Kind of shakes a little bit. Then we'll do one more startup. Maybe. Let me look at see if it has our capacity on here. Refrigerant R22, so it's the old refrigerant. Okay, it's a 48 pint. Okay, so it's a good size. Right there. 48 pint for 24 hours. Don't know why it's going blurry there, but yeah, you can. Turn it on one more time before I clean the fins back there.